Michael, listening back to those two moments from trial, you get a sense of why this jury is struggling, why they keep coming back saying they are deadlocked, can't make a decision on guilt or innocence. But I want to ask you, I know I have to tread lightly because you said you've been in this courtroom before this judge, but I want to get your reaction to the fact that the Allen charge was given. We know that's the last-ditch effort by the judge, reading it to this jury to say, try your best to come back with a verdict. And then after that Allen charge was given, that's when they swapped out the juror for an alternate juror because of the scheduling conflict. Are you surprised that it wasn't just a mistrial at that point?
No, because, this is a Detroit jury, right? And so you have a person who doesn't live in Detroit testifying that he made a mistake by confessing to the murder of his girlfriend, who also doesn't live in Detroit. And then you have a person who does live in Detroit on trial for that murder. These jurors have been lied. The population in Detroit have been lied to multiple times by multiple government agencies, and they're fed up. So I'm telling you the conflict that exists within that jury. I'm not in that jury room, obviously, but I mean, I might as well be by knowing, what's going on. I was a public defender in the city, so like, I know that they did not buy the testimony of the ex-girlfriend. I'm trying to be polite. I'm trying to be, polite about it. They didn't buy it. At least some of them didn't buy it. But obviously, the person who's on trial does have a history of breaking into cars. So it's a tough one. They didn't acquit. So obviously some of them believed that he's guilty. Some of them did buy the story of the ex-boyfriend, but there's conflict. I think that judge had to do the Allen charge, Julia, because I don't think any jury is ever going to be unanimous on this case. I'll be straight up. I don't think any jury is going to be unanimous. Not one, not two, not 10, not 50.